Hello everybody, this is Racer998, also known as David. So today I'm installing something that I'm really excited about. I've been wanting to install for a while since I got them. So you can see here the stock fender vents on the Evo. Well, I have over here, if you guys follow my Instagram, you've already seen them, the Varis carbon fiber version. So I'm really excited to install these. It's just a small detail, but I think it'll look awesome. I want to get the Sieben or Sieben carbon fiber fender vents, but I got these from a guy. I bought them off of another guy for a really good price. He hadn't actually installed them yet, but they ended up being cheaper than the Sieben ones, I don't know how to say it, and I actually like to look more. So the other ones, they look more like the stock vents. These just have the two big holes like that. I think they look really good. Plus you can never have too much Varis on your Evo. So I'm really excited to install those. First we gotta remove these stock ones, which you do just by pulling back, and they have little clips. They should come off pretty easily. And then we're gonna clean up some of the adhesive that's back there, just kind of smooth it out a little bit. And then hopefully use that double-sided tape that's provided to get those to stick on. If not, I might have to use some other double-sided tape. But we're gonna try that out and see how it goes. Alright, I've now gotten off both of the stock vents from each side. I just kind of took a screwdriver and gently pried down the corner to pop it up enough so that I could grab it and pull it off. It just has these little plastic clips and then these three tiny little squares of adhesive. Obviously we're going to need more double-sided adhesive tape for the Varis ones because they don't have those clips, but they should hold on good. Alright, so now what we're going to do is attempt to take some Goo Gone adhesive remover and a rag and try to clean up this area as much as possible. That way we won't have this adhesive in the way for the new vents to stick to. Alright, so the adhesive is pretty much all removed, just like a tiny little spot, but it shouldn't really be enough left over to create any issues. I'm going to try and tape on the Varis vents now and see how it works. Alright, I now have the tape that was supplied all through the vent. Now I'm going to go and take off the little backing so that I can stick it to the car. Alright, after 5 years of work, I have gotten the paper off of the adhesive strips. So now I'm going to press it to the vent and see how it fits. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's on there. I'm holding it in place just with a little bit of tape. Kind of hold it in place until the adhesive tape is fully squished and kind of like not really hardens, but like is good to go. So you can see it pops out a little bit. Now I don't know if that's just the normal fitment for this, or if I put it I might have put it slightly too far over to the left. So maybe it needs to go slightly more over to the right to fit in perfectly. So if it stays popped out like that, I might honestly take it off and just use some thicker adhesive tape that I have to get it put on there good. But for now, I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna tape up the other side and go put it on and try to place it a little bit more carefully and see if I can get the fitment any better or if that's just how it is. But it looks really good. I'm just slightly worried about how much is popping out down here, but this carbon fiber looks awesome. It looks really good compared to the stock plastic. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. As you can see, this one's taped up, but I haven't put any tape on the other side yet. I probably will just to be safe, but this side definitely fits quite a bit better, just because I was a little more careful when I put it on there. So yeah, I really like these. Ignore how filthy my car is, but so I really like these. Something else, some little detail in this area that I think would be nice would be to get like blacked out versions of these little sensors, or not sensors, these little lights right here. If anyone knows a good company to make either carbon fiber replacements or a smoked version of those, let me know, just because the car is pretty dark, so I feel like those really stand out. They look good to change them. Also, the Evo is wingless now. That's because I'm going to be getting a carbon fiber trunk and then a wing. So the stock wing has been sold. The Evo 8.9 style wing that I had on here is going to be sold. If you guys are interested in that, it's for sale. But I'm going to be getting probably a battle arrow wing. I really want to get an APR wing. They're just mad expensive. I don't have like $2 grand for a wing at the moment, but for the meantime, I'm going to be getting battle arrow. They're around like 900 for their large size carbon fiber. And I'm going to be getting an OEM style carbon fiber trunk. And I might get a smoked third brake light, just because this is really bright too. That vortex generator that you see up here, this Rexpeed carbon fiber one, you can see how filthy my car is. But it is real carbon fiber, it's made by Rexpeed. This is a non-SSS package one, so you can see it doesn't fit because this is the curved roof and this vortex generator is for the flat roof. Also the hole for the antenna base is too small, so we had to pull the antenna base off, put this on, and then bolt it back down. So this is for sale if you have the flat roof Evo. You can see it does fit the SSS, but not perfect. But I want to sell this and get the actual SSS version one to have it fit perfect. You guys have probably already seen this gas cap, Rexpeed carbon fiber. The Varis V2 rear bumper, I still love it. Yeah guys, lots of things planned for the Evo. Not sure how fast it's all gonna happen, you know, because I got money I'm trying to save and things I'm trying to pay off, but I am, the Evo is always evolving. Also, if I don't know if I showed in a video, you guys, I'm part of Team Elevate now, which is a really big team that I've been trying to get in for the last couple of years. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to order a new banner because I moved the windshield wiper to clean off the windshield, and then I kind of put the banner down too low. When I put the windshield wiper down, I realized it was on top, so I'm gonna have to get a new banner and move it up a little bit higher, but that's all right. I have a whole video I could do on this NRG quick release steering wheel setup. That has caused me a nightmare for the last couple weeks, but I finally have it all resolved. The only thing that I don't have resolved is my horn still don't work, which I'm kind of mystified why. But yeah guys, also the stock fender vents, I now have two sets of these for sale. This one that you see here that I just took off my Evo, and then one that I'm trying to sell for a buddy. So if anyone out there is interested in those, just drop a comment or DM me on Instagram. They're for sale. Probably gonna be like $20, $30 plus shipping. They're gonna be really cheap. I'm just trying to get rid of them. But yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching the install video of my Varis carbon fiber fender vents, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, bye.